Oh, hello, friends! Are you ready to sing your ABCs? Let's learn the alphabet with some happy dancing, friends. A is for astronaut, floating, dancing through space. You see, A astronaut with a big smile on their face. B is for butterflies, fluttering high and low.
B butterflies, watch their pretty wings go.
C is for crab, dancing happy, waving claws in the sand.
C crab, the best dancer in the land.
D is for dog, a happy pug, running with a wagging tongue.
D dog, having fun till the day is done. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, our happy ABCs.
E is for eagle, majestic and soaring way up high. Eagle, flying freely in the sky. F is for fox, dancing brightly, what a playful sight.
F for fox, twirling with all his might.
G is for ghost, saying boo, with a wiggle and a friendly grin.
G ghost, let the spooky fun begin.
Is for hippo, dancing joyful, big and round and sweet.
H, a hippo, tapping happy, gentle feet.
I is for ice cream, spinning round a yummy frosty treat.
I ice cream, oh so cool and sweet.
J is for juice, a superhero, floating strong and brave.
JJ Juice, here to power up your day.
K is for kite, flying gently way up in the blue sky.
Cake, letting breezes take it high.
L is for llama, changing colors, magical and bright.
L, llama, a dazzling, colorful light. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, our happy ABCs.
M is for Mickey, dancing happy, what a joyful iconic mouse. Mickey, bringing smiles to every house. N is for narwhal, gently floating in the calm blue sea.
N, narwhal, as sweet as can be.
O is for orange, dancing, swaying, full of happy, zesty fun.
O, orange, sparkling in the sun.
P is for penguin, jumping rope with all his might and cheer.
P, penguin, the most active friend is here.
Q is for quail, walking forward with the little chicks in a line.
Q, quail,
what a mother so kind.
R is for rocket,
soar 'em up and zoom through the stars. R, rocket, flying past the planets near and far.
S is for submarine, exploring deep, bobbing in the blue.
S, submarine, a grand adventure for me and you.
T is for turtle, dancing with joy, small and green and sweet. T, turtle, tapping happy little feet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, our happy ABCs.
U is for UFO, with cute cats flying oh so high. UFO in the big wide wonder sky. V is for volcano, erupting with a silly laughing sound.
V, volcano, the funniest one around.
W is for watermelon, dancing, swaying, sweet and round and grand.
W, watermelon, the happiest fruit in the land.
X is for Xylophone, playing a joyful, colorful tune.
X, with throne shining bright like the moon.
Y is for yo-yo, spinning round, up and down, it goes with glee.
Y, yo-yo, as playful as can be.
Z is for zipper, zipping up and down with a happy thumb, please smile. Z, zipper, making getting dressed worthwhile.
Yay! We sang our ABCs from A to Z. You did a fantastic job. Let's clap for you and me. Keep on learning, keep on smiling every single day. See you next time. Hip, hip, hooray.